So I started my trip in the French Quarter. It is, I just left the parking lot. So just down below that area there to the right, there's parking, and look, you get to the top of this, and you're welcomed with music, and it's like a black Disneyland. Like I love this city. Bill Withers, yes, why not? It's just super festive. It's a Monday afternoon, guys. Like, I'm just late getting to the scene. I'm walking to Cafe du Monde. It's a recommendation my husband gave me. He's like, oh, like, we've ordered this coffee before online. Like, you should go there. It's like a pre-Civil War establishment. It's like, okay, sweet. I get there, and just cruising up the sidewalk, going to the street. It's like right behind the parking lot. So it was super easy to get to. And some signage talking about the city. And you get to Cafe du Monde, and there's even more music. People are obsessed with this place because the beignets are amazing. They are so good. Look at this. Look at this guy. I gave him $10 because he made the day for me. Like, he really did. So we turn around here. You get some more of that very, like, this signage there that's very common of Paris. So you really get like the imprint, the Parisian imprint on New Orleans here in the parish. And so, pre-Civil War establishment, people are sitting outside, like open air, enjoying a coffee and a beignet. And there you go. Cafe du Monde, coffee and beignets. Why didn't I think to dip the beignet in my coffee? I don't know, but it was delicious. Even without the dipping, it was so wonderful. And so they have these horse-drawn carriage rides. There's people outside selling their art, doing art. It's a very creative space. People are just really into it. Like, they're not phased at all. And it's a really easy walk. I was actually, because I was already in the French Quarter, I didn't know that that's where I was. I had to look it up. I said, okay, let me pull out my app. There's an app, so if you do happen to go see the Prospect 6, the app is called Be Connect. It's by the Bloomberg. So Be Connect, and you will type in Prospect 6, and it'll show you the map of all the places Prospect 6 has in that city. So you see, it's just festive. It's Monday. Like, there's nothing going on. It's just wild for like no reason. This is the historic New Orleans collection. It was closed, so I put the sign. And that's where Didier Williams' art is being exhibited. So if you get a chance to go, definitely go. Most of these places are open Wednesday through Monday. But there's some places that rotate and they're off on Tuesday. But look at this. Like, I was walking back to my car, and then I realized, like, behind me, there was water. Like, there's an entire body of water. And that really, like, cool, that moody music in the background, that's like somebody back there, like, jamming for their money. Like, they're jamming for their pennies, trying to get their coins up. I didn't even realize that that's what it was. But one of those guys out there, I think it's the guy with the bike over there in the corner. Yeah, like, he is out there, like, making this, like, really moody tunes. But anyway, thank you for listening, and I hope you guys have a good time when you get a chance to go out to Prospect. If you'd like for more content about Prospect 6, take a look at my channel and subscribe for more information.